next installment is clearly the mainsail.
Yeah. Part 2 of our measurement guide.
So with the mainsail here, what we're going to do is start off by measuring the head. So the first thing is there's a maximum head angle. So we'll measure that. Then we'll determine the positions of the quarter points down the sail. And so then we can do the measurements, the girth measurements of the sail from there. So that's kind of the plan for
Yeah,
this video.
that's the plan. And then we need as well the A measurement, which is defined on your mast itself, which has to be in the measurement certificate, and we take that number as it is. Okay, let's start.
So within the class rules, it's set out that the triangle that we can use. So if we measure a point that's 500 down from the head, and again, as when we're measuring the jib, this sail's relatively straightforward, but it's the extension of the head of the sail and the luff of the sail to get the point to measure from.
Yeah.
So if we take, so we've got 500 along there. If we do the same along the head, and so the maximum distance that we can have between this point and that point is 829 mil. So clearly this is the mark for 829 millimeters. It's beyond here, so we're
fine.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay.
Secondly, we're taking the sail. Can you follow me, please? So it starts here, that we do again, finding the corners of the top and the luff itself, and on the other side the leech and the foot, putting it together and just put your knee on, and then
So what I need to do is now find the point that's halfway between the two, and then we'll put a mark here. Clearly the sail's been measured a number of other times and it's moving around, so I'm putting a new mark just on there. So that's our first point, and this is where we'll take the next measurement to.
you want the other side?
Sorry, I haven't practiced this clearly.
Where are you?
There we go. Tell you what, if I hold these together and you do the next one. Okay.
Yep, I'm fine. And to find the third point, can somebody give a hand, please, over there? Okay, okay. I've got it here, and we start with the B measurement. The B measurement is the foot of the sail. B. Therefore, we need a batten to extend.
Yeah. So this sail's a little bit difficult because the bottom has been aggressively cut off. So what we're going to do is take the batten to extend the line of the luff further down, just to make sure that we get the shortest distance between the clew and the extension of the luff of the sail. Okay.
Put your knee on this.
Okay, I'm using the top edge of the tape.
Can you get it, the shrinkles out? Thank you. We're here. And I tried again to find the shortest point. And this is 2, 4, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. And then we work up our way.
So, first quarter point.
Yeah. And now I again try to find the shortest distance. Must be somewhere here. I get the shrinkles out and got for G1 at 2295. Going up to the next one.
We're making you work here.
Same story. $2,015. And finally, so 1534. Okay, got that. The measurement file is written in the measurement certificate. And if haven't got it here because it's not our boat, of course, but we scanned the all these measurement certificates into our system, which I highly recommend for all the measures worldwide. And the A measurement you find here, it's 6.95 meters. And with the formula we've got, should be somewhere around 12.27 square meters roughly, if I calculate shortly. We've got 12.28 square meters. This is what happens normally at measurements or control measurements, that we are not exactly the same like the number we've got in the sales, because we did that in the last day, we did that yesterday. This is basically just a little bit tolerance. What we agreed that up to 0.03 square meters, it's just a matter, is it the last millimeter or not? But we calculated yesterday 12.27 and today it's one bigger. That would be fine for me.
Yeah. I think, as long as we're making sure that the total numbers are within the maximum sale area, then we're happy.
Yeah. So what we're adding then, we're putting the number in here. The maximum sale area we are allowed to go is 18.58 square meters. 18.58 minus 12.27 in this case from yesterday means the maximum jib size this mainsail is allowed to go is 6.31 square meters. And with the number we have in the jib, everybody on the water can see maximum is that. Is the jib smaller, then the boat is fine. That's it from my side.
Great stuff.
Okay, thank you very much.